What's going on, everybody? We are at the Transportation and Ticket Center over at the Magic Kingdom. I'm excited, Ray. I'm excited because I'm gonna let you in on my excitement, but not right away. I'm gonna let Ray tell you guys why we're here. Why we're here, Ray?
We're gonna ride Tron.
That's right. We're here to ride Tron.
A super wonderful cast member has invited us to ride
Super
Tron.
nice, super
She's
nice.
like amazing.
Sometimes.
For some reason, she lives with us.
Yeah, sometimes.
She only got to bring 3, so another wonderful cast member invited me. So I got a wristband.
Well, let me show you guys the wristband that we got to gain entry. So we're gonna head on over to the monorail and head on over to the Magic Kingdom so we can ride Tron Lightcycle Run for the first time ever. Am I nervous? Yes. Excited and nervous at the same time. I gotta use the restroom.
I'm super nervous.
If you guys have been following along with the channel, you guys know I'm not a huge fan of roller coasters or anything over 25 miles an hour. All right, so we made it to the Magic Kingdom. There is an event entrance line that we need to go through, and so we're gonna go through that. We've made it in the Magic Kingdom. We're headed towards Tomorrowland so that we can ride Tron Lightcycle Run. My heart's starting to beat a little faster. Just anticipation, the anticipation of riding and being scared half out of my wits.
I'm just trying not to lose an eyelash.
It has gone from warm to extremely hot out here in these Magic Kingdom streets. But it's okay, because we have something to look forward to. Tron Lightcycle Run. And I'm ready. I mean, I'm gonna keep telling myself I'm ready. You ready, right, June? I'm ready. I don't know why my alter ego sounds like female, but we're headed to the Starlight Cafe, not to get anything to eat, but I heard a friend of mine is back. Yes, you heard it here first. Little Feet, Sunny Eclipse, is back at the Starlight Cafe, and we're gonna go pay him a visit. We are at Cosmic Rays, and guess who's back? I don't know if you guys see him in the background, but he's glittering and he's shiny and new as ever. The jokes are the same.
The galaxy. It's really great to be back here at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe.
His eyebrows are the same. His feet still can't touch the ground though. You can still see his feet in his driver's license picture. Rain, are you a big roller coaster person? Like,
Yeah.
are you a big roller coaster fan?
Depends on the roller coaster or how high it is.
So what's your favorite roller coaster?
I like Velocicoaster at Universal. That was good.
You are not my child. At Cinderella's Castle on the main stage, there's a celebration going on right now. It's a celebration! And we got the Fab Five up there. Goofy, Donald, Mickey, Minnie.
The Bean and Tiana. It's great to meet you. You gotta dig a little deeper, find out who you are. We do what we want when we want. Just like at the Snuggly Duckling. We got a dream. CIA does cruel and vicious as I see.
Space Mountain wait time is like 3 weeks. That's how long the line was. I've never seen it all the way down by the DVC booth before.
I gotta get on that.
That looks fun, Brooke.
Once again, in the background, I can recognize those screams, the screams of terror and fear. That's exactly what I hear. So right outside the restrooms, there's a water fountain and a place you can fill up your water bottles if you need to. stand in the line. And I will tell you this right now.
Brutal.
It's smoking.
They only have little small umbrellas out here, so make sure you guys have your H2O while you wait.
Make sure you hydrate. It's very important. So, Ray, how do you think the line's moving?
Out here it's moving pretty fast.
Right. So there is a 48-inch height requirement. So if
June just made it.
You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Lockers are just ahead. Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Only use locker space that your party requires.
There is a mandatory locker system. You got to put all your stuff in the locker.
In the Lightcycle Run,
You don't have to put your phone in the locker, I don't think. I think you can carry your phone on. I think there's a compartment on the Lighcycle itself that holds your phone, but everything else got to go in the locker.
Getting a locker. Well, Brooklyn's gonna scan her Magic Man. We're gonna scan 232. So you need to remember your number. Me, I'm just gonna take a picture because I will forget what locker number I have. So yeah.
So I have to put my camera in the locker. So I have a GoPro and we're going to record it, a POV for you guys. And hopefully it works out. I'm going to put my camera away right now. And I'm going to let you know how we felt about Tron Lightcycle Run. I had to put my belly in the locker as storage so I can get on the ride. So my stomach is inside the locker. And so now we can go. Getting real. Trey, you ready? Are you sure you're ready? This is your last chance to back out, Trey. I'm ready. You ready? You sure? Positive. Because I'm not.
Oh, you took your hat
I
off.
had to take my hat off. I got you. I have to fold it and put it inside of the compartment.
Oh, look at the freaky lights.
I know, right?
I'm going on front row, y'all.
Oh my gosh, everything else.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
This is pretty awesome.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Please turn it on before you drop it down there. You shouldn't take it out before we don't get Rain in trouble. Put it back in there for now. It's fine.
Users, watch your step as you dismount an exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
I'm telling y'all, this right here, I like this ride better than I like Guardians of the Galaxy. I do. All day, every day. I'll get on this again. Just not today.
Guardians works better for me.
This is a seat preview to see if you can kind of fit in the seat before you go all the way on the ride, or if you just want to see how comfortable you would be on the ride for a few seconds while you do ride. So we're going to jump on, and I'm going to show you guys a quick preview on getting on this ride. All right, so this is what you have to do. Put these knees on these little knee plates. Lean up, pull down, and it comes on your back. And then it'll lock you into place. Just rode it. I like it. Pretty fun ride.
All right, everybody. That was intense. So, I don't know. Some, like little children who don't like rides, don't even try to have them come on here. Brooklyn did not get on it. Like Brooklyn was having no parts of this. But Trey, what'd you think, man?
That was really good. I think I still like Guardians more, but this is good. This is like second.
I think it was fantastic. It scared me in the first minute, like a couple seconds. I was like, oh, but I felt totally secure and safe in those seats. It was really amazing.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be uncomfortable. I thought I was going to catch a cramp, but I didn't. It was actually very comfortable. And yes, the first couple of seconds, and I'm not a roller coaster guy, but the first couple of seconds had me like, whoa.
And I like the fact that if you are in a wheelchair or you can't lean on a bike like that, there's an option that you can sit up and still enjoy the roller coaster.
Oh yeah. I thought it was going to feel dated because Tron is so old. Like I put on Tron before we came here, and the kids were like, turn that off immediately. And I understand.
They put the black and white one on.
It wasn't black and white.
It seemed like it.
This ride does not feel dated at all. It feels up to date. It actually felt like we were riding a Tron Lightcycle. So that's kind of cool.
And it was pretty awesome.
Screams of terror. Screams of terror. Tron Lightcycle Run opens on April 4th. I highly recommend, and this is coming from somebody that's not a roller coaster guy, I highly recommend though, that you ride it, you get on it and experience it because it's a lot of fun. That sounds horrifying.